Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket. Inside you'll find trip computer, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, premium cloth low-back bucket seats, compass. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.